So I heard these are some good little earbuds with nice bass for only $30. Let's get into it. Kind people over at TOZO kind enough to send me out their NC9 active noise cancellation headphones. I opted for the black version, so it will show you your battery percentage. You open them up, here are your earbuds. I like these because these do not have any kind of stem on them. These are just sitting in your ear, nice and snug. So right now they are at, or the cake, yeah, that right now they are at 98%. The left and the right is at 98%. That is a nice touch. You do get your USB-C on the back. This is your pairing button. Okay, so now we are in the app. I have the earbuds connected, but you're not going to see any information on this page until you take out the earbuds. You have to take them out. And as you can see, once you put the earbuds back in the case, all of that is going to go away. But then you hit connect. Then you want to take the earbud. When you hit connect, take the earbuds out and hit connect. That is when all of this is going to show up. So do know that. And as you see, I'm trying to put one earbud back in the case. It will not work like that. So you must, which is kind of weird, but you must have both of the earbuds in your ear and this on connect. And this is the only way this screen right here is going to show up. So once you do that, you got your EQ zone. These are EQs that other people have set that you can come in here and use. But if you go to sound effects, this is where you can come in here, this app, and get your own personal sound effects. And like I said, I'm going to keep mine on bass plus because I like bass. These do have some nice bass. Nothing that's just gonna pound your ear, but it's nice. You do notice the bass if you get a song with some bass. These are the presets, so you get standard, bass plus, bass minus, classic. You get dance, deep, hip hop, jazz, Latin, original, sympathy, pop. You get rock, vocal, treble plus, treble minus, electronic. You get blues, keyboard, piano, trumpet, heavy metal, anime, slow rock, podcast, relaxing. You get quiet, awake, crazy, folk, country, and R&B. And I really like that because this app gives you a whole bunch of different presets that you can listen to your music in. You don't just have to use bass, so on and so on. You get different kind of case scenarios. But this also has a choice to where you could come in here and customize your own EQ and use your own EQ if that's something that you want to do. But like I said, I like to leave it on bass plus. I just like the bass that it gives you a choice to have bass. Even if it's not pounding bass, it still gives you a choice to have it in there. So we can hit confirm and we can keep that. You also have A and C. As you know, these do have A and C, and that's another good thing. You have your noise cancellation, so I currently have that on transparency mode. So this is if you want to be able to hear your music but hear your surroundings at the same time. I typically do not like to use that because when I'm listening to my music, I want to feel like I'm there inside of my music. If I need to take an earbud out to hear what's going around me, I can. You have reduced wind noise. So say if the wind is blowing, you can cut that on so the other person can hear you just fine. You do get leisure mode, normal mode, custom pattern. I'm going to leave it on noise cancellation. This it's a nice little app with nice little features that it has for you to go fix and tittle and tat with. I did make a phone call and the person said they could hear me just fine, no problem. I've done some exercising with these earbuds on They do not fall out of your ear. I'm still messing and testing out the battery. I've only had them for a couple of days now, but the battery is okay for now. I do like that it shows you the battery percent right there with the case. You can just easily get you a charger and just charge these up at any time. Overall, these are a nice looking and feeling earbud. I do like them. I do enjoy listening to music with them. I'm listening to some music right now, as you can see. That just paused the track. That just 2 taps cuts on your assistant, so that's nice to have, no problem. But like I said, overall, these are some nice earbuds if you are out there looking for some earbuds for a decent price that's going to sound that's going to have some good sound to them. I can recommend you go pick these up for yourself. So now let me take you over to where you can go pick these up for yourself. Let's go to Amazon real quick, so you can see how much these will run you if this is something that you want to pick up. Let's type it in. So yeah, here are the earbuds right here on Amazon. You can get these in 4. Oh, look, they come in a slew of different colors. My bad. You can get a dark gray, a light blue, sage green, a red, a gray, a dusty pink, a dusty blue, the dark black, which is the variant that I have, and then you get like a blue. These are currently $26.56 plus tax. Overall, like I said, these are a nice pair of earbuds if you want some earbuds that have ANC that you can use the EQ with to get bass, that don't have a stem. You can do some working out with these. I've tried it out, no problem. So like I said, they have ANC, adaptive hybrid ANC. You get IPX8. You get the app. You get 14 hours of playtime per charge, 60 hours with the charging case. In-ear, it has a nice in-ear fit. Like they said, they do have high quality sound. I can agree with that. It says bass plus, so that's nice. You just have to try to find a song that has the little bass in it and see what best fits your ear. You get the IPX8 robust water resistance, so pretty much you can get these sweaty and they are not going to mess up on you at all. So this says with the ANC off, you get 14 hour single charge, 60 hour with charger case, and then if you have the ANC on, you get 10 hour single charge, 40 hour with charging case. Still not too bad at all. Built for all day, all week listening. But like I said, overall, these are a nice earbud to have. I have been enjoying these earbuds so far. I will make sure I drop a link in the description to where you can go pick these up for yourself. Hope you found this video helpful, and I will catch you in the next one. I'm out.